पावर फेलियराक लागून इंडस्ट्रीच्या उत्पन्नात फरक पडटा म्हण GSIचे अध्यक्ष राजकुमार कामतान माहिती वीज मंत्र्याक दिली। वीज मंत्री मडकईकरान वीज खंडित करिनासतना इंडस्ट्रीक वीज पुरवण करपाचे आश्वासन ह्या वेळार इंडस्ट्रीक दिला। आर्डिक्स गोवा खातीर परवरीच्यान चीफ रिपोर्टर कॅन्झिल रॉड्रिगीस आणि निलेश परवार।
They have the various problems they have been facing for a long time, and we have been now discussing thoroughly, even minutely regarding their issues, and government is very much positive about their issues to resolve the issues on a priority basis. And this meeting is mostly has been organized by this our department to think positively to solve their problems in future permanently. So I think our President Goa State Industrial State will explain you the discussion what we had and what the problems actually they were facing, and we have come to conclusion that with the one stroke we cannot resolve that problem. And that's why we are planning to resolve that problem in three phases, phase-wise. To resolve their problem, to solve their problem, we need to have a strong infrastructure. That is what we need. And accordingly, government is planning to have substations in various industrial states, substations, and also we are planning to change the transformers, upgrade some of the transformers.
Some require additional capacities to be built into the thing, which are possibly medium term, and of course the long term would be where whole of Goa would have 24/7 uninterrupted power. And I think if this goes through, lot of industries would be now ready to come to Goa, okay, because this is land, power and water are the three things, okay. So power is a major factor, and I'm sure the way we have seen the ministry and the department functioning in the last
4-5 months,
few months, things are going to go from better.